Ready, go!
Cheap or expensive?
Affordable.
Have SPT hammer?
Right here, built in.
How many deeps it can drill?
0 to 1,500 meters.
What kind of geological conditions?
Soft and hard, no problem.
Core size?
PQ, HQ, NQ, BQ, all available.
Easy moving?
Integrated and portable, all available.
Core rate?
Up to 95%.
Drilling angle?
45 to 90 degree.
Power source?
Diesel engine, perfect for your field operation.
Crew size?
Only 2 people.
For mineral exploration?
Absolutely over specialty.
For geological investigation?
No problem.